We'll guide you through how to make a transparent background in GIMP. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
First, open up GIMP and load the image that you want to edit. Just click on Files and go to Open. And in my case, I'm just gonna go with this particular picture that I downloaded from Pixabay. And once that it has been loaded, just go to the bottom right corner and click on this file icon. And make sure the fill width is set to transparency and click on OK. And once that it is done, just go to Layers at the top and click on Merge Down. And just choose the Bucket Fill tool and just click on the drop down for bucket fill mode and make sure erase is selected just like so. And in the fill type, you can leave it at FG color fill. And for affiliated area, just make sure to toggle on fill similar colors. And now once that it has been done, you can just go ahead and start clicking on the background just like so. And you will see your background will be successfully removed. Now you can take your time here and remove all of the background manually just like so. And once that you are happy with the result, you can just go ahead and export it. To export it, just go to the top left corner and click on File and just click on Export As. Now you can rename it to whatever you want, but make sure to change the end extension to .png to preserve the transparency. And after that, you can just go ahead and click on Export, just like so. And after that, just click on Export. And that's it. That's how we make a transparent background in GIMP. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.